All right, this is video number 2 on replacing the oil pan plug on a 12 valve Cummins, or any diesel for that matter, with oil in the pan. I just changed the oil on this thing. I use AMSOIL, and the rubber coated washer is leaking on the oil pan plug. I torqued it to the factory spec of 44 foot-pounds and torqued it 5 pounds over that, still leaking. So what I'm going to do is use this shop vac right here, and I've got it hooked up right here to the oil filter tube, just like in the other video, except I didn't have a shop vac. It was actually a Bissell vacuum cleaner. This is a small shop vac, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. It should hold the oil in the pan, all 3 gallons, and with very minimal loss, if any. I'll take the washer off of the plug, flip it over, put it back up in there, and then we should be good. But we'll turn the vacuum on right before I pull it out. Make sure this is right. If you can see, it's leaking right here. And we'll loosen it. Oh, I also have the blow-by tube plugged with a wine bottle cork. I'll show you that when I get done if I remember. All right, go ahead and turn it on. All right, you hear it slurping. Couple drops here and there, not too terribly bad. Alright, I flip the washer over, put the plug back in. And turn it off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we got here, let me turn this headlamp off, is that's how much oil I lost, which is not very much, very superficial. You can hear the suction on it. I got that snugged up. I will torque it to the 44 foot-pounds. There is the wine bottle cork in the blow-by tube in this 12 valve. And that's all you got to do. Do not do this on gasoline engines, because of the fumes that can be sucked into the vacuum, and that could start a fire, etc. Thanks for watching.